Hey guys, it's me again with another vlog, and today I am going to Fashion Week क्योंकि मुझे उधर walk करना है एक designer के लिए as a showstopper.
I'm the showstopper tonight.
Anytime there's a designer that features a celebrity that they want to walk for them at the end, they call them showstoppers. That word is kind of weird because the show must go on. Why do you want to stop the show? Anyways, so आज मैंने ये किया है कि मैंने अपना basic makeup कर लिया, but once I get there, I'm sure the makeup and hair team is going to modify my look based on what the designer's requirements are. Sometimes I feel more comfortable using my own products, like especially foundation. मैंने अपनी use की है. I did a little bit of my basic eye makeup. Eyebrows are like very important to me, so I usually don't let anyone else do my eyebrows. That little bit of light contouring, I did not put any lashes on. That's what I'm gonna get them to do over there. So I'm gonna go make myself some chai. So I'm just making some doodh patti chai, and I have half a cup of water, and I put 1.5 teaspoon of chai ki patti, and I'm gonna let it brew, but on low heat. Just about a little less than half. Just gonna add some milk. So I'm feeling a little, not nervous, but excited. I'm excited because I have not been on the ramp for I think over 2 years now, and it's exciting. It's exciting to go back and, you know, see some of the old faces. I'm sure बहुत सारी नई शक्लें भी आ गई होंगी अब तो, but it'll be fun. Meanwhile, my chai is almost ready, and that means it's about done. And what I'm gonna do is just gonna sprinkle a little bit of patti. And yep, so here it is, my lovely cup of tea, and I'm just gonna have my tea and just make sure that I have all of the things that I need today for Fashion Week. I'm gonna show you guys what I've packed to take with me, because even though I'm getting the clothes to wear by someone else, I have to prepare certain things to take with me. The spray, this is cool because it helps you if you have any like spots in your hair that kind of need a little concealing. Taking my contact lenses, I have brown and gray in case I need to wear them. Just a nice body mist by Victoria's Secret's Pink, of course contact solution. I'm taking my Laura Mercier setting powder. This is great because nothing for me works the way this one works. Taking this Airbrush Legs by Sally Hansen. I use this for arms and my legs. It gives you a really nice even tone. Just some eyeshadow brushes and foundation brush. I like using my own brushes. Some basic things like that. And then I have like my golden heels, which are actually my sister's. I just saw these lying around and I thought I should pick them up. Pack up all my stuff now, but I'm not sure if I want to wear this or if I want to just put a blazer on top of this black tube top. Still undecided. So yeah, that's that. The car should be here shortly, and then I'm gonna head out and head to Beach Luxury because that's the venue where Fashion Week is taking place this time. Beautiful evening in Karachi. I'm loving the sunsets these days, and the weather is just stunning. That right there is the coastline right there. Oyster Islands. That's the water. And again, the beautiful sunset. I just can't get over it. Alright, so it's about 6:30 p.m. right now, and I'm about to head out. And this is what I'm wearing. This top from Express that I got on my trip to the US. And I'm just wearing some slim black trousers, my nude heels, my gold watch, and I'm just taking this big bag with me with all my stuff. and also my handbag. So the driver is here and I better head out now. So I will see you guys there. Huh?
You excited?
Yeah.
You're vlogging this one? Yasmin Zaman. Oh, great. Man, you cut it off so well. Really?
So I'm putting my lashes on right now, and wow, look what a difference. इधर तो सही लग रहा है. I think it's nice.
Oh my gosh! I watch your vlog, by the way, all the time.
Oh my god, I'm so flattered. Simple in the house, y'all.
Hira, you are amazing, and continue doing whatever you're doing.
Aw, thank you. This is my hair, and I'm almost done. I think I'm just gonna go to the changing room after this and just chill out, because I think the show is about to start and I need to chill out. It's so like chaotic back here. Everyone is really like loud and it's very crowded. So Leo from Sabs is doing my hair, and he literally like did this within like 10 minutes. I don't know how he did this, but he did it in 10 minutes and I love it. Thank you. So this is my final look, and we are about to go line up for the show. The show is about to start, and I'm loving this dress. It's a very classy gown with a nice embellished belt by Yasmin Zaman, and I really love this necklace. Alright, it's time for me to head to the lineup. I think we're getting late now. Just got done with the show, and now I am heading back home, and I had a lot of fun. It was really cool because the designer that I was walking for, Yasmin Zaman, she is such a nice lady. Her collection was really colorful and it was really nice, and I saw all of the models that went before me looked really nice. The color palette it was really colorful and it looked like a really nice like resort kind of formal wear collection. I really liked the venue this time. It was at Beach Luxury and I thought it was a much better venue than the previous fashion week. When I went on the ramp, I was like, oh god, everyone's looking at me, and then I just kind of remembered how it felt. But when you're in like a model mode, it's different because you can have like this attitude of not caring about anything and just being really super confident. But when you're walking as like a showstopper, you have to be a little bit more approachable, and it's more about your personality rather than just looking really high fashion and stuff. So it was a nice change, and it was quick and easy breezy. I'm heading back home now, and I can't wait to just unwind and just relax and see Margot. She's been at her grandma's place the entire day because Ali's working as well. So अब जब मैं घर जाऊंगी तो वो भी पहुंच जाएगी, and I'm gonna just spend some time with her, maybe have some dinner with the family, and I'll see you guys from there.
Hey Google, hey Google. Margot, डैडी के जूते तो रख के आ जाओ. Come.
No? Alright, so I am finally back home and I am changed into my pajamas, and I gotta remove this makeup, and these lashes are really bothering me now, so here we go. Oh, that feels good. Now I'm just gonna remove all this makeup. Alright, well, here I am in my bathroom. I just removed all of my makeup and my skin feels so much better now. It's not easy having all that makeup on. I think after a while, especially when I have lashes on, मेरी आँखें बहुत भारी हो जाती हैं और आँखों में irritation शुरू हो जाती है. Day after tomorrow is my drama shoot again, and yeah, I'm hoping to have like a really nice relaxed day tomorrow. Maybe I'll edit this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today, and if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Apne comments page, let me know what you guys think, and also I'll be responding to the comments in the first hour of posting this video up, so make sure you comment right now and you'll probably get a reply from me. And if you guys have any other ideas for any other videos, so let me know. Bye.